Hello everybody and welcome to another video. It's me, Dave Oyega, and today we're going to do kind of a recap. This is episode 3 of Proxmox Homelabbing. Some things have gotten done. First off, we've started, I have started at least, we've failed one Docker container. Well, actually this is the one that shouldn't be running. This is the Docker container that should be running. But we have a Docker container now based on Debian, which I'm going to set up the Compose plugin soon, and I'm going to try out Pi-hole for it, which will come probably in episode 4 of Proxmox stuff. But yeah, so far we can just go into the console and as a login and everything. Pretty simple stuff, not a lot set up on it. But yeah, we have Docker set up, which is awesome. We've had a problem where somebody shut off the server in the household, and this broke, so the NAS broke, but it's back up and running. I had to reset it, but now our storage can be used. Yeah, there's still some stuff that has to be fixed, but we have one SMB share up and running. Data set, we have music up and running. I'm just going to show off to you how that works. This one's not going away for some reason. I don't really know why, but on a Windows device, pretty sure it's different for Linux, but basically you just would sign in. I already have a couple of static IPs that I set up for this, so yeah, and then specify the folder, so that would be music. I'm pretty sure, yeah, so now each user has their own password, which is awesome. That's another update that I've set up. Remember my credentials. Did it work? Sure. Yeah. I don't know, I guess this broke. I'm not really sure why. Great, the second I start to record, I get into like a rabbit hole. Every time, man, every time. And you can see the errors here. It's kind of annoying. I'm probably gonna put like a sticky note on the actual server to not disconnect it, so that I don't run into that problem again. But yeah, if you have any recommendations for the server, just let me know, and I'll be sure to act on it. I need water. Okay, there it is. I guess I just did something wrong. But here we can see, okay, great, we have 2 running on different IPs. It just randomly decides to work now. But we can see we have 2 IPs. The thing about Windows is that it does not allow you to access 2 different network drives using the same IP. So that's why you might have seen me use 0.63 and 0.65. But that means that they're both different. Like, they're both different instances, but it's the same connected user, which is kind of strange. But I don't know, man. But as we can see, we have different files, and each of them different data sets, and each of them have different ACL permissions. So to check that out over here, it would be in the data sets, music, and we can see that it's currently being shared via SMB. And we can see for instance, for me, there would be different permissions for owner full control, my group full control, and my family, which is a group of all of the family members, are allowed to read it. So yeah, and to see that in practice, I'm pretty sure the best way to demonstrate that would be to get kind of a folder. So let me navigate over to my Omega. I'm pretty sure I have crash. So let's get this. And so for instance, I'm able to go into my folder and I'm allowed to just paste in music. But if I were to go into Josh, I'm not able to perform that action. But I have a special folder called public, which if we were to check the permissions on the ACL for that, we can see that, of course, I'm the owner for it, but the group family, which I'm included in, my user, has full control over it. So if we were to navigate over to there, we would be able to plug that in. So yeah, that's what I've set up so far. Very simple stuff. Definitely want to give a shout out over to Christian Loeb. Crap. Just TrueNAS and Proxmox. Christian Lemba, awesome, and Tech the Lazy Automator. Those were my main people that helped out a lot during that process. And also, I'm pretty sure somebody called Aggravated Llama helped me out a bit. Didn't I comment somewhere? I think I commented on one of these videos and I shared it. I didn't, of course, didn't get that much likes, but only do as much as you can do. So yeah, that's my little 7-minute 30 update. That's a bit longer than usual, but the next update will definitely have maybe Plex. This is my personal Opera, not the next one will probably show off the Docker container being in use. And yeah, maybe there will be like an update on the system hardware. I might upgrade it to like maybe 16 gigs of memory, definitely. New drives, that's probably going to come in. Definitely some physical hardware stuff. But right now it's just easier for me to set up Docker containers. So yeah, if you have any like recommendations for anything like that, that's kind of just a little shallow dive into my Proxmox update. I don't know why this still is doing that. It's a completely different drive. I think I have to add the drive into Proxmox so that I can modify it. But that's for another time. But TrueNAS is set up now, and that's what I'm happy about. So yeah, see you in the next one.